Good morning, students. So now we are going to start a second topic of the chapter construction. So second topic is construction of triangles. Means we have to construct a triangles. So in the previous chapter of the properties of triangles, we have discussed about the types and different important properties of triangles. And in the previous chapter of congruence of triangles, we have also observed that a triangle can be drawn if any of the following sets of measurements are given. What are the measurements which are given and we can construct the triangle? The measurements are as follows. If three sides of the triangles are given, then we can construct, and that criteria will be known as triple S construction criteria. If two sides and the included angle is given, then also we can construct triangle, and that construction criteria is SAS. You can see that there are two sides SS and this included angle. Similarly, ASA means two angles and the included side, and RHS H means hypotenuse, so hypotenuse and a side in a right angle triangle. So one by one we will discuss this criteria and we will try to construct triangles. So here is our first criteria, that is triple S criteria. In this type of questions, the length of three sides of a triangle are given and we have to construct the triangle. So here is our first question. We have to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equals to 6 centimeter, AB is equals to 5 centimeter and AC is equals to 5.5 centimeter. Yes. So what's our first step? First step is that we have to draw the rough sketch of this triangle ABC. Okay, so let's just draw the rough sketch. And rough sketch means these are not actual measurement, we are just getting a rough idea that how our figure will be look like. So triangle ABC, BC is of measure 6 centimeter, AB is of measure 5 centimeter and AC is of 5.5 centimeter. I am again saying it, these are not exact measurements, we have just drawn the rough sketch to get the rough idea. So now our construction has been started. So what's our first step? First step is we will draw the line segment BC which is of measure 6 centimeter. So use this ruler and draw the line which is of measure 6 centimeter. Here we go, 6 and this 0. So just name this BC and this is of 6 centimeter. Now what's our second measurement? Second measurement is given, that is AB is equals to 5 centimeter. So what you have to do, you have to take B as the center and you have to draw the arc which is of measure 5 centimeter. So open the compass which is of 5 centimeter. You have to measure it with the help of the ruler and the compass. So you can, here you go, we have measured it with the 5 centimeter with the help of the ruler and the compass. Now draw the arc of the radius 5 centimeter taking B as the center. B as the center, mark the radius and here you go. Now what's the second? That is AC is equals to 5.5 centimeter. So now open the arc of 5.5 centimeter and take C as the center and then we have to draw the arc. So first open the arc which is of measure 5.5. Be careful while you are doing the measurements, bache. Here you go, we have opened the compass which is of measure 5.5 centimeter. You can see that. Now take C as the center and draw the arc. So here we go. So the point at which both the arcs cut, mark it as A and join the point A with B and also join the point A with point C. So this is of 5.5 centimeter because हमने इसी radius की arc measure लगाई है बच्चा, and this AB is of measure 5 centimeter. So in this way, by triple S criteria means whenever the three sides of the triangle are given, we can construct the triangle in the same manner. Okay, so just try to do the questions related to this criteria. Thank you very much.